Let's see the other example. Find the HCF of 15, 30, 60. By prime factorization, very easy. Find the factors of the three numbers differently, write it down, take the common ones and multiply. For the division method, it's normal continuous division, right? Continuous division. We will divide the, what is the main concept or the main rule for this? The main rule suggests that we will divide it by a prime number, by that common prime which will divide all the three numbers. If it is dividing any two and not the third, I'll stop my division. Are you getting it? Let's see. 15, 30, 60. It will be divided by 2, 30 and 60, but 15 won't be divided. So I will leave it, right? I'll not divide by 2. With 3 I can start, because 15, 30 and 60 both will, all the 3 will be divided by 3. I'll not take 2. Why will I not take 2? Because 30 and 60 are only divided by 2 and not 15. My rule for this says that all the three numbers, if there are 4 numbers, 5 numbers, all the 5, all the 3, all the 4, how many ever numbers are there, they need to be divided by that common factors. So I cannot take 2. I'll start with my 3. Fine. So 3, 5, 10, 20, right? Now I can divide 5, 10 and 20 with 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10 and 5 fours are 20. 2 and 4 can be divided by 2. Shall I divide it by 2? No. This is not the rule. The rule says that all the numbers which are inside this symbol should be divided by that factor. So I'll stop my division. So my HCF will become 3 into 5, that is 15. Fine. You can even check 15, 30, 60 by prime factorization method. You will get 15 only. That means I'll just show you that also. This is a prime factorization method. Don't get confused, please. 15 I'll write as 5 into 3. 30 as 5 into 3 into 2. If you do not know, divide and check. I know, so I'm writing it down just to show you. 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 30 2s are 60. What does the prime factorization method say? Common ones. These are 3 commons. This 3 is common in all the 3. Is 2 common in all the 3? No. So only 5 and 3 are common. So we'll take the product of 5 and 3, that is 15. So is this clear to everybody how to do in division method? This is known as continuous division method, right? There is another division which is known as long division, that will be done separately. This is continuous division, this is prime factorization. Hope it is clear.